in today's video I'll be telling you all how you all can simply and easily make an offline web page in HTML. If you don't know what is HTML, then HTML is used for web development. That's all what you need to know about HTML to make an offline web page. It would be very basic. We'll make it a very pro offline web page in some other video, but till the time just learn from here. You can see I have made a folder named HTML, then I have made a file named index.html. Make sure to put this .html. So I'm going to open it. Just close this panel, zoom in a bit, delete this all, hit the exclamation mark, hit the tab key. You can see it's not coming because my PC is hanged, or okay, so it is not hanged. Tab 9 is starting, it is not started, and extensions are not activated till now. You can see. Okay, now I think so everything is ready. Hit the exclamation mark. You can see this emit abbreviation. Just I'll click on it. You don't need to worry what this all came. Just change it from document to okay, so let's keep it blank. Just right click somewhere in the blank space and click on open with live server. If you are not seeing that, just click here in the extensions tab and search for okay, so you can see I have this ready. So you can search for live server and then install the first extensions. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it anymore. Let me just give it a space right over here. Go in my browser. You can see I have this thing ready. So you can see I have my offline web page ready. So we'll meet in the next video to edit it a little bit and write some kind of text in the title, but I'll tell you. Okay, so in the browser you can see I have hello world written. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.